Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you which fuses to check in case you are having problems with the all-wheel drive system. This video should apply to 6th generation of Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025 and Altimas equipped with all-wheel drive. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. To remove the cover, you just want to gently pry it out. There's like a small opening right here, and the best tool to use would be like a small flat screwdriver, a small key or anything similar you might have handy. So just insert it here and pop it down. Once you remove it, on the back side you will have a small fuse diagram, and this black piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Okay, and the two fuses to check will be these two red fuses right here, 10 amp and 10 amp. Now if both of these fuses are good, next step is then to scan the PCM for any stored codes and follow up on those, but checking the fuses is something you can do by yourself, and sometimes if you're lucky that's all there is to it, and just by replacing the fuse that might fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.